Welcome to Kids Art Channel.
If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hello kids, let's draw and color. The number 6, a beautiful flower next to it.
You're amazing. I'm so proud of you. Great job. You're doing your best, and that's super. Keep trying. You're a superstar. Wow, you're amazing. I'm so proud of you. Your creativity is awesome. I'm so proud of you. Great job.
Kids, you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.